Okay, it's time to spin the wheel again. The wheel of horrible drinks. Let's do it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, KFC's Southern Twist Cocktail. Now these have cropped up in the UK recently, maybe last year or so, and they're kind of wrong as far as I can tell. So let's make one. This is in a rock glass, and what we want to do is just scour our lip with some fresh lemon and get some brown sugar. I've got a teaspoon and 2 teaspoons of, or bar spoons I guess, which is a little less than a teaspoon, of dried parsley. A combination, eh? Brown sugar and parsley. You know, this was a marketing campaign for the KFC company in the UK, and we have talked about it. I first discovered it when we were discussing it on Patreon, when we were doing a podcast. They're quite interesting. There's actually 3 of them to the collection, but we're doing this one. So I'm just dipping here in... It looks wrong already. Actually, it doesn't look too bad, does it? So, parsley and brown sugar. So the first thing we want is some ice in our glass. A little more, maybe. Here, a little more. Fill her up. Perfect. Bourbon. I think I'm going to use the bullet. Something to cut through this cocktail. Oh, heck. We want 1.5 ounces, okay? And KFC gravy, hot gravy. Shit, man. We want, oh my God, this is disgusting. We want, hi buddy, there's my cat. Hey, what you doing? You want one? That's about it. We want about 2 ounces there, okay? Oh my God, this is, oh my God. Oh Jesus, like, who came up with this? Give it a stir. Oh my God. It's looking better. Oh my God. And a little black pepper. And there you have the KFC, what the hell is it called? And there you have KFC's Southern Twist Cocktail. Oh my God. I just stirred it and all the gravy's sunk to the bottom already. Why would you invent this thing? Oh my God, look at this. I mean, what do you think's gonna happen when you got hot gravy and ice, you know? Booze and shit, man. I think I'd sooner have a cement mixer. That's what it's looking like, man. I guess the joke's on me because technically, well, we're talking about it and I'm trying it, so the marketing must be working. Actually, it smells good. I'm getting the sweet fragrance of the parsley and the brown sugar. Oh, all right, here we go. Man. I need to stir it one more time. Maybe I should blend it. Maybe it should be blended, I don't know. All right, here we go. I'll just I'll just lick the outside done. It's not bad, actually. Not my kind of drink by any means, but I just... What, you gotta just keep stirring? Just keep stirring? Oh my God. All right, maybe you gotta stir while you drink it. No. It's leaving this real horrible taste in my mouth. Okay, till next time, we'll spin again. Ha! Cheers. I'm leaving that there. Oh, one more thing. They also suggest that you garnish it with a piece of chicken skin. How wrong is that? Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh my God. That wasn't fun. Thanks for watching. Check out some more BarTalk&Cocktails. See you next time.